With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Let's understand about this question, and the question says here, when viewed under microscope, cells do not show Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus and nuclear envelope during the end of the prophase. Okay, we know that the prophase is a phase of cell cycle. Okay, our cell has various stage and phases, and during the cell cycle, the mitotic phase is there, and into this mitotic phase, the prophase is occur in the mitotic phase or M phase. Okay, and this M phase is termed as most dramatic phase. Okay, now in the end of prophase, basically if we talk about the prophase, so end of the prophase, it is marked by initiation of condensation of chromosomal material in this prophase, or particularly end of prophase. Here is initiation of condensation of chromosomal material. Okay, so condensation of chromosomal material is initiated in the end of prophase, and the chromosome material become untangled, the process of chromatin condensation. Okay, because of the condensation, the chromosome material become untangled. Okay, and the process of untangled and the process of chromatin condensation. So due to the condensation of the chromosomal material cells at the end of the prophase, this is the reason by which we do not show the Golgi complexes, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus and nuclear envelope during the end of prophase under the microscope. Okay, so here is the answer will be option B, that is end of the prophase. This is the correct answer over here. Early prophase will be incorrect, telophase is also incorrect, and interphase also will be also incorrect option here. So the right answer is option B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.